Hi there, and welcome back to PMN Online. In this video, we are going to cover how to find 52-week high stocks in TradingView. This is an excellent strategy for traders looking to identify stocks that have been performing exceptionally well over the past year. Such stocks can signal strong momentum or a bullish market sentiment. Let's dive into the process step by step, and you'll see how easy it is to navigate TradingView to find these stocks. Getting started with the stock screener. First, you'll need to open the stock screener in TradingView. If you're already on a chart, look at the bottom left of your screen for a button labeled Screener. Click on it and select Stock Screener from the options available. Alternatively, if you prefer using the top menu, go to Products, then Screeners, and choose Stock Screener from the drop-down list. This tool is incredibly powerful for filtering and analyzing stocks based on various criteria, and it's exactly what we'll use to find those 52-week highs. Applying the 52-week high filter. Once you have the stock screener open, the next step is to apply the new high 52 weeks filter. Look for a filters button, represented by a funnel icon. Clicking this will expand several filtering options. Navigate to the section named Market Data and find a filter labeled New High. Click on this and select New High 52 weeks from the drop-down menu. This will customize your screener to display only the stocks that are hitting their yearly high today. This feature is particularly valuable as it narrows down your search to pinpoint stocks that have shown significant performance over the past year. Reviewing and refining your results. After applying the filter, the screener will automatically display all the stocks that meet this criterion. The number of results can vary depending on market conditions, offering you insights into current market trends just by seeing how many stocks pop up. For better organization, you can click on the column header labeled New High 52 Weeks to add this information to your table. This allows for quick reference and helps you identify patterns or trends at a glance. If you want to refine the results even further, consider sorting them or applying additional filters such as volume or sector. This can help you tailor your findings to match your specific trading strategy. For instance, if you're targeting high liquidity stocks, set a volume filter to exclude those that don't meet your criteria. Or, if you're interested in a particular industry, use the sector filter to focus your search more accurately. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to locating those 52-week high stocks using TradingView. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to make informed trading decisions. This guide helped you easily master how to find 52-week high stocks in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.